Today we will be doing the online project streaming of residential project L&T Rejuve 360 by L&T Realty located in Mulund West. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Looking to buy a home but why do physical site visit? Housey brings to you the unique concept of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, 360 building views and complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save the time and simplify your home buying process. Visit housey.com now. In this, we will be discussing below points like overview, plan analysis, pros and cons, competitive projects and various others. So watch the whole streaming to get the complete project understanding. So let's start. First one is project overview. L&T Rejuve 360 project will be constructed on 12 acres of land parcel having 5 towers that will be developed phase-wise with each tower of 2 basement plus 7 level of podium plus 3 stilt plus 57 residential floors having 2, 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residences. Now coming to the location part. L&T Rejuve is located on main LBS road diagonally opposite to PVR Mulund with Mulund station at a distance of 3 kilometers. Upcoming Sonapur metro station of Metro Line 4 connecting from Thane to Badala via Mulund just 300 meters. D-Mart at a distance of 600 meters. Fortis Hospital around 900 meters and Nahur station at a distance of around 2 kilometers from the project. Also, you can get the complete verified project details, actual location tours with complete cost sheet where you can choose the area, floors and can get the accurate complete cost sheet with price breakup. Simply click on the link mentioned in the description or visit our website housey.com. Coming to the amenities part, first one is internal amenities. Each flat will have split AC in living room, marble flooring in living, dining and passage area, vitrified flooring in bedroom and toilet and instant geysers with glass partition in master toilets. Now coming to the external amenities. Project has 25 plus ultra luxurious amenities likes of elevated jogging track, open sitting area with greenery, kids play area, water cascade along with aqua gym, business lounge, herbal gardens, temperature controlled swimming pool with poolside deck and cabana, multi-level club cascade with host of amenities like fully equipped gym, indoor badminton court, squash court, tennis courts and reflexology bath with in-pool lounge. Now the parking part. Project has 2 level of basement parking with 7 level of podium for residents and over to that 3 level of stilt car parking for visitors. Now let's do the master plan analysis. As you can see, this is the master plan analysis. Here, out of the total 12 acres, these 5 acres are dedicated to a recreational garden that will be developed by L&T and during possession, it will be handed over to BMC which will be open to all. Now on the other 7 acres, these 5 towers will be constructed. Now Tower A is launched having 2, 3, 3.5 BHK residences with 2 BHK of 611, 750 and 780 square feet, 3 BHK of 900, 1000 and 1080 square feet and 3.5 BHK of 1300 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's have a look at the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK which is 611 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK which is 780 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK which is 900 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK which is 1080 square feet and this is the unit plan of 3.5 BHK which is 1300 square feet. Coming to the maintenance part, 2 BHK maintenance will be in the range of rupees 5,500 to rupees 7,000 per month. 3 BHK will be in the range of rupees 8,000 to rupees 10,000 per month and 3.5 BHK will be rupees 12,000 per month. Now let's talk about the payment scheme. One can take a maximum loan up to 90% of the flat cost and needs to do the minimum down payment of 10% with government taxes. Also, the builder comes up with various schemes from time to time. Also, we have a good news for all the home buyers, especially the NRIs. We get a lot of queries from our viewers related to the home buying process, reviews and feedback. So, we created a Facebook group which is called Home Buying Simplified. In this, we have onboarded real estate, home loan and legal experts to answer all your queries. Here, you can also get peer and expert reviews about specific locations or projects. The purpose of this group is not to sell you anything. It's just to create a community of home buyers who can help each other by sharing their views and experiences. So, do join this group through the link mentioned in the description. Coming to the top 3 competitive projects. Number 1. Kalpataru Elitis, located on LPS Mark just diagonally opposite to L&T Rejuve 360. Number 2, Vadhva Atmosphere O2, located on Goregaon Mulund Link Road. And number 3 is Runwal Pinnacle by Runwal Group. Now the interesting part, that is pros and cons. First one is pros. Location. Project is located on a prime location on LBS Road opposite to PVR Mulund with upcoming metro station, DMart and GMLR just 2 minutes drive from the project. Building elevation. Building is designed in a way so that no flats are facing each other, with 90% of the flat having lifetime open view with either east or west facing, with east facing flat having 5 acres recreational garden view and west facing has main LBS view. Also, the first residential floor starts from around 12 floors, so lower floor road facing flats won't have any noise or pollution concerns. Builder profile. As we all know, L&T has a legacy of over 75 years, so residents will be getting timely possession with excellent quality of construction. Now the cons part. Small bedroom for 3 BHK 900 square feet. The common bedroom of the 3 BHK is only 85 square feet, which is relatively small. Also, 3 BHK of 1080 square feet has a long passage area of around 90 square feet, which is of not much use. So these were the pros and cons of the project. Now the builder profile. Backed by rich experience of over 75 years in the construction industry, L&T has successfully forayed into the real estate industry with its real estate arm L&T Realty. As of today, L&T Realty is present across West, South and North India with many residential, commercial and retail projects. Some of their completed projects are the glorious Marina Space in Dubai, Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, the innovative high-tech city Hyderabad, TCS IT Park in Chennai, and Seawoods Grand Central in Navi Mumbai. So everyone, this was the online project streaming of L&T Rejuve 360 by L&T Realty in Mulund West. If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, floor plans, e-brochures, offers, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Also, if you like this video and to watch more such online project streaming videos, new launch updates, subscribe to our channel Housey.